Today I am recording this under storage, under bed storage. Pretty cool. Comes in this nice heavy duty case. These could even probably, yeah, look, there's spots here. They could be stackable. It also has wheels here on the bottom. We have 4 wheels per corner, and I like that they're staggered like that. See all the ridging in here? It keeps it heavy duty. 2 clasps. Opens, hinges in the middle to open up. So you can grab stuff from other side. You don't have to pull it all the way out. It also is very easy to put together. And all of this, you just pull this out, push this one forward, and you can see everything just locks together like this, very securely though. When doing it, there's these little tabs right here. Push those in, it comes right down, folds together, and this all folds completely flat. You can even believe pull these apart here, and then fold it all. It'll fold in itself too, like this. Very easy of storage. And then this folds in on itself too, so it only takes up this much room. Let's say if you move a lot or you go to a college, you're going to college, etc. Very easy to then remove. This would even be great for camping or glamping for your RV or van life or whatever. Now let's see how it works under our bed. And you can see it easily slides in and out and stores right under your bed. You can slide it halfway out and pull this up, and you can put extra sheets. It's a good idea to put in there. Pretty cool. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.